I have some very incriminating, humiliating videos of Dolly, Ravi and Varun discussing my non-existent love life.
हम बीड़ी पीने वालों की तो बात ही कुछ और है.
मेरे को ना पाद वर्ड बड़ा फनी लगता था.
नहीं बोलो.
Dolly like, I have some more.
बोलो. Just shut your mouth. So guys, are you ready? Welcome to Butterfly. So I kind of need like savage replies.
Oh God, I am the most like. Okay.
Oh please, Swara.
यार वो ट्विटर पे होता है ना, मैं 10 मिनट सोच के लिखती हूँ वो सब. और फिर वो आगे से मेरे को गाली आती है. आपके रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट. मैं कैट बिल्ली की झापड़ मारोगे तो मैं पंजा मारूंगी. मेरे पंजे ऐसे नहीं निकलते हैं.
लिटरली लाइक इंडिया के दो मोस्ट सैवेज औरतों के साथ बैठ के डिस्कशन कर रही हूँ. ठीक है तो प्लीज. Okay, so like usually there's like अभी stand-up comedians जो रहते हैं या comedy जो भी करते हैं women, उनको बहुत ही ऐसा like women comedy वैसा टाइप का reaction मिलता है. So अगर तुम्हें ऐसा reaction मिले कि like women are so not funny, so what will your like savage reply be? Just shut your mouth. In Kutty Bhabhi का voice best है वो.
I'd be like अगर मैं 25 साल से फोर्स्ड सेलिबसी झेल रही हूँ तो मेरे भी सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर क्लॉग हो जाएगा, मुझे भी कुछ फनी नहीं लगेगा.
उसे भी सुना दो like उस केस में. OMG, that's very attack, very big attack, yes.
All these fucking I'm now sick of this question about, I'm not even a stand-up comic, so I can imagine how irritated like or a content creator, I can imagine how irritated these guys must be feeling.
Like,
मैं ये इंटरव्यूज में ही पक गई हूँ ये मतलब ये कि ये नहीं not you but I'm just like dude, this is such a prevalent thought process. I'm just like in the interviews only I'm sick of this thought process. So imagine having to deal with it like in life. यार एटलीस्ट हमें एक्टर्स को ये नहीं झेलना पड़ता ना, कोई ये नहीं कहता कि वो एक्ट्रेसेस को एक्टिंग करनी नहीं आती, ये कोई नहीं कहता.
But like you guys face so much criticism, like we all know that, like ये कोई रहस्य नहीं है.
नहीं वो तो बॉलीवुड बैशिंग पेंडेमिक का फेवरेट पास टाइम बन ही चुका था.
yes.
हाँ वो तो है. चलो वो तो हमने अब इस साल एक्सेप्ट कर ही लिया है कि इस साल I think that everyone should say thank you to Bollywood for existing so we could hate on it and get through the pandemic.
What is your mantra to like get over those hate? I don't know, like you like random hate. Well, random hate.
यार मेरा केस थोड़ा actually अलग है because मुझे ना like of course everyone else in Bollywood I think has had to go through this in the last 1 or 2 years. I have been going through this for 6 years. Like ever since the concept of a troll came into existence, I think I was the first Devi that they found to like like the resident godmother of for trolls to attack. तो मेरा तो 6 साल से चल रहा है. अब तो मैंने इसको ओन कर लिया. I'm like okay, and I just never read comments. Like I think that this is something people don't realize, that the only time I actually read comments is when shows like this release and I have to see what the response is, and that's actually the only time I'm looking at comments. Otherwise I do not look at my comments ever. And अब मैंने अपने माँ बाप को भी बोल दिया because मेरे माँ बाप जो सोशल मीडिया पे सिर्फ मुझे स्टॉक करने के लिए आए थे, जिनका अकाउंट मैंने ही बना के बहुत बड़ी गलती करी, तो वो कमेंट्स पढ़ के पागल होने लगे. ठीक है, मेरी माँ तो she's like, this is not true, you're not like this beta. I was like, what are you doing? So I was like, you can't read comments. तो वो ना सुन नहीं रहे थे, फिर वो secretly जाके पढ़ते थे. फिर मैंने कहा मैं ब्लॉक कर दूंगी आपको. They didn't know कि ये हो सकता है कि वो ब्लॉक भी किए जा सकते हैं. तो तब से वो बेचारे कंट्रोल में हैं. So I now tell everyone don't read comments. And if I ever tag you by mistake, normally I try not to tag you. If I ever tag you, don't read those comments also.
I want to get tagged.
Are you sure? I do it, bro. I will do it, bro.
I'm telling you, do it.
Okay, fine. Just send your this thing in the chat.
Done.
बस अभी आ रहे हो, अब तुम देखना आज तुम्हारा दिन कैसे गुजरेगा.
My God, excited and nervous.
Oh God.
Dolly, what about you? Like, what about you?
I just try and focus on the good. Like, there's so many people who also love you, and this is something that people only have told me. Initially, I used to sometimes reply, with a very savage reply, कि oh, अच्छा तुम ये बोल रहे हो, मुझे ये लो तुम सुनो. But then some nice people were like, but why are you focusing on them? There's so many people who love you. We also DM you so much, but you never respond. Don't you think you should actually try and give attention more to people who love you rather than people who don't? right? And that made so much sense. So I'd rather focus on those people, try and appreciate those, reply to them, rather than waste my time on someone who's already hating me and there's no other way out. So I'll chhod do, ignore karo. They only want attention anyway, so I don't give it to them.
So just tell me, तुम्हारे बचपन का सबसे like favorite joke कौन सा था जो तुम like हर गली हर नुक्कड़ में हर बच्चे मम्मी सबको पकड़ ये joke तुम्हें पता है, ये joke सुनो तुम, कौन सा था तुम्हारा ऐसा favorite?
I had a joke which I don't know, I think I learned it from my neighbors, the boys, और मैंने वो joke पता नहीं कितने लोगों को सुनाया जा जाके. So the joke was that 3 चूहे थे. And please listen to this as a small young 5-6 year old is telling you, okay? So 3 चूहे थे, बहुत परेशान हो गए थे लाइफ से, so they decided कि अब हम अपने अपने रास्ते चले जाते हैं and 10 साल बाद हम यहीं पे अपने अड्डे पे मिलेंगे और देखेंगे किसने कितनी प्रोग्रेस की है.
So they all leave, 10 साल के लिए चले जाते हैं इधर. एक बंदा जाता है किताबों स्टेशनरी की दुकान में, एक बंदा जाता है मिठाई की दुकान में रहने लग जाता है, एक बंदा जाता है पनवाड़ी की दुकान में. फिर 10 साल हो जाते हैं, 10 साल बाद वापस से वो उनका रियूनियन होता है, मिलते हैं वापस
कि अच्छा बताओ तुम क्या कर रहे हो, कैचिंग अप. सो लाइक मैं तो मिठाई की दुकान में रहता हूँ, देखो कितना मोटा. सो यू नो लाइक ही इज लाइक फुल्ली लाइक लाला बन चुके हैं वो. एंड द दूसरा किताब वाला गाय इज ऑल्सो लाइक हाँ भैया मैं तो इतने पेजेस खाता हूँ ना रोज, किताबें फाड़ फाड़ के, मैं भी अब मेरे हाल देखो. एंड द बेचारा पनवाड़ी गाय इज लाइक उस बेचारे के पास कुछ होता ही नहीं खाने के लिए बिसाइड्स लाइक व्हाट बीड़ी सिगरेट, यू नो लाइक. एंड एज अ किड टेलिंग यू, सो इट्स लाइक दैट काइंड ऑफ लेवल, वो लेवल ही अलग था उस टाइम. सो देन द पनवाड़ी वाला चूहा इज वेरी सैड कि यार मेरी तो लाइफ बड़ी सैड होगी, मेरे तो फ्रेंड्स ने कितना कुछ अच्छा कर लिया है अपनी लाइफ में एंड लुक एट मी. बट देन अ बिल्ली कम्स and they're like oh shit, फिर वो अपने बिल की तरफ भागते. Now that bill was like 10 साल पुराना बिल ना, तो सिर्फ वो पतला वाला घुस पाता है एंड मोटे वालों को बिल्ली खा जाती है. तो जब बिल्ली चली जाती है तो वो पतला वाला बाहर आता है. एंड दिस इज द पंच लाइन. ओके, हम बीड़ी पीने वालों की तो बात ही कुछ और है.
Okay, this is a very dark joke, Dolly. Involving murder and all.
अलग ही डायरेक्शन में चला गया ये जो.
Too cute. But I actually was a very stupid and unfunny child. एंड मेरा ग्रेटेस्ट ह्यूमर होता था पॉटी सुसु के जोक्स, ठीक है ना. और तो मैं सारे टाइम, मुझे याद नहीं, बड़े स्टूपिड से जोक्स पॉटी और सुसु पे, और मैं आके ना पता नहीं मुझे ऐसे क्यों लगता था कि मुझे अपने माँ बाप के साथ सब कुछ शेयर करना चाहिए जो पॉटी सुसु के जोक मैं सुन रही हूँ. मेरी माँ एंड माय मॉम इज लाइक वेरी प्रॉपर, ओके, शी इज लाइक वेरी लाइक यू नो civilized, cultured, educated person. तो मैं आके ना मम्मी है ये पॉटी है जो सुना. So she also like really think that there's something wrong with my child because her interest in this scatological things is so high. So yeah, और फिर and they were like you can't talk like that. और दूसरी चीज मेरे को ना पाद वर्ड बड़ा फनी लगता था.
वो अभी भी लोगों को फनी लगता है.
So I was always on the lookout for कौन पाद मारेगा, तो फिर मैं वो रिपोर्ट करूंगी अपने मम्मी पापा को कि हाँ देखो उसने पाद मारा. This is why I had no friends, by the way. I was 13 years old.
We used to do that. आधा पादा किसने पादा.
Okay, ये अभी भी होता है, but like it still exists, like it's still there.
Someone farts, then you do this. के आटा दे, चावल दे, you know, like something, and then they would do this, like as kids, वो पाद का smell भगाने को. This is the recipe. This is a टोटका to remove that bad smell. So
really?
Yeah. So what you do is, I'll take a second. What you do is you do this. आटा दे, चावल दे, रसगुल्ला दे, ये दे, वो दे, गुलाब की खुशबू दे, परफ्यूम दे, ये दे, अच्छी चीजें. And then ask everyone to put something, okay, like this, like pull the whole crowd, and then you do this. Oh, that smell away. And somehow the smell used to go, okay, it's very psychological. Or you're like, oh, chali gayi.
काश ऐसा एक्चुअली होता.
Works. I think the rotation makes the air.
हवा घुमाता है वहाँ का, I guess. Like.
It's just like ये तो मेरे से भी नीचे थी.
Like, you have spent time on this.
Swara, this one's for you. How easy or hard was it to shoot a comedy role? Like we've always seen you in a sort of serious, you know, roles, but ये बार आपने full on comedy करी है, वो भी stand up comedy. तो वो कैसा था? How was the experience?
मुझे stand up करना है.
क्या? किस पे stand up करना है?
I mean, it was the stand-up bits were actually the parts that I was most terrified by, and it was the stuff that was giving me the most amount of anxiety. I actually, while prepping, I did write some bits of stand-up and actually go perform them, like in like sort of confidentially and so on. So that was very cool. But see, the thing is that it's when you shoot stand-up in a fiction show, it's not actually stand-up because you haven't written it yourself. You're receiving sets that are written by the writers or the comedy writers, and then you have to do them. And also, you're not performing to a live audience. You're sitting and performing to junior artists who want to kill themselves and kill you.
Can you share some of the BTS that you all like, BTS stories or scenes जो तुम्हारे मजाक मस्ती के with us?
Dolly was the BTS in charge.
What did you all do? Share some stories, please.
We used to ask Swara for like some Bollywood gossip, which I'm not gonna share, but Swara was our person. She didn't have much, by the way. She's like away from.
I don't know anything.
That it all just, all our behind the scene, we would have dinner together mostly. Swara would get dinner from home, and we would just share all of that. So it was just fun, all in all.
I have some very incriminating, humiliating videos of Dolly, Ravi, and Varun discussing my non-existent love life. And and giving me suggestions for it. I have this. And then we have some very incriminating videos of us. Cheap Indian humor. वो होता नहीं कि एक not that he's not a gora, but like foreigner, like जिसे हिंदी नहीं आती मिल गया तो उसे गालियां सिखाओ. तो हम रवि को ये cheap humor में हम engage कर रहे थे. जो हमारे शो का humor ऐसे बड़ा like sophisticated type का realistic. हम लेकिन एकदम ही gutter level पे operate करते हुए हम रवि को गालियां सिखा के ही खुश थे. So and Dolly and Ravi had the world's most irritating game in an auto. So the one night when me, Dolly and Ravi had to spend the entire night, was a night shoot, which is very irritating as I said. Dolly and Ravi started some nonsense improv game, जो इन्होंने, I kid you not, कुछ नहीं तो 4 घंटे खेला है भाई साहब. And I was just like, इन दोनों की energy अलग ही level पे और इन्हें मजे भी आ रहे हैं.
Oh my god. यार डॉली ये चीजें चाहिए यार. तुम्हारे गेम के बारे में बताओ हमें.
So Ravi has this thing that he doesn't start a game. He's not like, let's play a game. He'll just start randomly. Okay. He'll just be like, I'm not coming to that party. Or you keep calling me. Okay. And a few initial times I was like, why is he talking to himself? Like, what is it? But then I caught up. I was like, okay, wait. He's playing a game. Okay.
Okay.
But why you always say no? What is your problem? Why can't you just show your face sometimes to my friends? So we just like created a story from there, and
they just randomly started these 2 characters and they just went on the whole night. And I was just like, what is happening here?
On the same lines, like जैसे तुम लोग game खेल रहे थे in the series as well, like वो cab वाला game था in which like वो randomly तुम्हें पूछा था, are you a cab? And तुमने कहा, so I am just going to throw you a word. So the word is Wi-Fi. Okay. So go.
Are you Wi-Fi? Because I'll need your password.
You're my Wi-Fi because I'd be lost without you.
And like ये तो मैंने ढापा हुआ है, but well, are you Wi-Fi? Because I think we feel a connection. Okay. So continue.
No. Okay. I mean,
no.
I have some more. I thought we have to keep going. So I was like, are you Wi-Fi? Because I can't live without you.
We can't live without you.
You're as inconsistent as the shitty Wi-Fi in my house.
Yes, to all those bad relationships.
Yeah. All those fuckboys out there.
All those fuckboys out there. And fuckgirls. Everyone. Whoever fucks.
Great one, Swara.
So, Dolly, this was like your first full-fledged OTT, like debut. So, how was that? And also, you played an influencer. Jo, like, uncanny resemblance hai kafi. Like, real life mein bhi aap,
Now, people have started pulling my legs so much, Swara. The other day, yesterday, I put up a picture saying, hey, some of you had been asking where this necklace is from. So, the details. Everybody in my DMs is like, हमने तो नहीं पूछा पर करना पड़ता है, लिखना पड़ता है. So they are throwing my life at me.
लिखना पड़ता is a thing.
Yeah, likhna padta has become a thing, and they're pulling my leg only at that. I'm like, oh God, guys, you only asked me, and now you're pulling my leg. But it was amazing. Yeah, it was an amazing experience. It was a big deal for me. Yesterday, someone was asking me what made you say yes to Kapi's, role and this show. I was like, excuse me, this is Netflix. It's a huge show. It's a great show, very well written. Who in their right mind would say no to such a thing? So it was an easy yes for me. I was begging for it literally. So it was a great experience. On the set, it was horrifying for me for the first few days because I couldn't just wrap my head around so many things happening. There's literally a guy to hold your, your bag, your pen. So matlab, इतने सारे लोग
बहुत ही ज़्यादा हो गया. Like
everybody has a job to do, and it's like so much is going on. There's so many artists. Like we had so many shadi scenes, so there's literally a crowd full of people who are actors. So for me to really acknowledge that was hard because I'm like, oh God, there's so much going on this set. The director has like a microphone to direct you. It's crazy because I've never seen something like that. I direct myself. I write my own character.
Yeah, and you are your own character. Like everyone else is you. And it's fun.
So for me to do that was difficult, yet it was a great challenge and I had the most fun, and I'm very glad and very happy that people are loving the character and loving Kapi. It was amazing, man. It was a really, really amazing experience, and I hope I get to have more of this season 2. Woo-hoo, aa jao, please.
So is there a season 2?
We don't know yet.
I hope so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that the show's done really well, and I think of course right now we're all just reveling in the fact that it's got so much audience love, and I think that I was not expecting this kind of love. And what's really nice is that there's so much affection, like people the show has endeared itself to people, like the characters have endeared themselves to people. I think that's the nicest part about the show.
Thank you so much, Dolly. Thank you so much, Swara.
See you, Sneha. You can put your handle and
I'm going to send it to Abhishek.
Done.
And he will be passing it on to you.
Done.
Dolly, तुमको भी tag करना है तो यार please कर दो. Please.
Will do. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.